Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 12th of June 2019. Hard to believe we're halfway through June, which will then mark the halfway point of the year 2019 already. It's gone by quickly. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. We've got nothing for 3 days. Look at those candles. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Gaps and nothing. Flat, flat, flat. Dojis. Let's go through the daily charts of the majors, and then we'll look at the intraday action. Here's crude oil down 87 cents to 52.40. Gold up $5.80. It's a cup and handle forming on gold. That's the scary thing, really. S&P cash loses a point, literally 1.01. And so that's been kind of uneventful there. NASDAQ 100 up 11.92. It was higher on the gap up and sold off. Remember, more selling than buying here. On the day, the SOX up 4.13. Biotech's down 19.36. Russell 2000 loses 4.45. So not a lot there. In terms of, and again, the Russell's not looking good for the year. The VIX up 5 cents to 15.99. That doesn't really mean much. The trend, super low reading at 0.53. That puts the 10-day moving average back down to 1.01. We haven't had a lot of low ratings, so I won't get into what that means. From a sell signal perspective, we would need the 10-day moving average under 0.85. We're nowhere near there. NASDAQ volume 2.1 billion shares. It's about where we've been for the last week. Not very interesting and low compared to where we've been lately. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ, negative 184. So close to even, almost the same amount of stocks up and down. On the New York, plus 27. So almost the same number of stocks up and down. Google loses $1.72. Apple up $2.23. Netflix down 74 cents. This thing has gone nowhere for so long. Amazon up 307. Puts it back above where it was before the news came out that the government was going to go after them. Tesla up $4.22. We'll bounce there back to the 220 level on Tesla. Facebook up $3.28. Goldman Sachs up 61. TLT, the 20-year bond, the ATF up 8 cents. The Dow was almost exactly flat. In terms of intraday action, here you go, 5-minute candles. So, Monday morning we had gapped up. We went higher. We came back, and we closed about where we opened. We never filled the gap. Tuesday we gapped up, filled the gap, went a little lower, closed about where we opened. We still haven't filled the gap between Friday's close and Monday's open. Here's look at the NASDAQ side. Pretty much the same story. It's been exactly nothing for the last 2 days, unfortunately. And that's it. So we will just go from there. On Wednesday, we have the CPI number an hour before the bell. Crude oil inventories an hour into the market. 10-year bond auction at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Federal budget balance at 2. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.